The girlfriend and I have a lot of cool cars. One thing we don't have is some cool phone mounts. So we partnered up with Baseus and they got us one of these. We're about to check it out now and see all the different ways you can mount it and how it makes it different from any other phone mount and why we decided to go with this one. And we have our Corvette C6, Corvette C8, Tesla Model 3, as well as Alfa Romeo Giulia. I'll show you how it can fit in all of them. So you can trust me when I say this thing works for any car. Currently, this is what we got. You can only mount the phone in one place and it's just kind of in the way. I might be biased, but this one looks a little bit more sleek and these arms right here are bendable, so you can pull them apart. They got a little bit of resistance, so it'll hold wherever you put it, but that means you can put it wherever. If you want to use it as a single mount, you can do that and then just put it somewhere. Or if you want to spread it apart and then mount it like this, you can do that too. If you want to mount it on your dashboard, you totally can. I know some might like it on the glass and that's totally fine too. You're just gonna 3M it right here and then I'll move it up so you can see. You can just grab your phone and magnetically put it on right there. That's the best part. Unlike this one where you have to spread it apart and then put your phone in. This one, it's magnetic. And so your phone just stays suctioned to it. Now I know what you might be saying, okay, this is only for iPhones? Well, that's actually not the case. So it comes with this magnetic ring and a 3M tape on the back that you can go ahead and put on your Android phones. Not good with stickers? It comes with this positioning card, so it'll help you align it on your phone. Think you might need to take this off in the future or worried about it damaging your phone? You have this protective layer that you can put in between the magnet, which is this guy, and your phone, so you don't have to worry about any scuffs. Now let's say you put it on your steering wheel and then you realize that's not really a good place to put it. If you think the adhesive is weakening on the bottom, they give you some extra pads, so you have a second chance on where you want to put it. I'm gonna keep it 100% with you all. This is the phone mount, and these bend in any way you move them. The magnet is strong. I'm just going to take my phone as a demo and all you do is click it into place. And it's a strong magnet, y'all. My phone is not dropping. I'm wiggling around. It's totally fine. Let's say you don't like the direction it is right now. Well, you can actually bend the 3M parts down and completely flip the direction. Just like that, boom. So you could have the 3M on this side, or you could have it on this side, whatever it prefers, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna flip it like this, and I'll show you how I would want to mount it in the Alfa Romeo. Because the screen really ends right here, and this is just a bezel, I would probably wanna take my phone and mount it somewhere like right here. This is perfect because I can still see the screen, and now I can see my phone right here while I'm driving. In the Tesla, I would want to mount it a little bit differently. I would actually flip the 3M pads over like this, so they're facing this way. And you see all the extra space behind the screen? Yeah, I would go ahead and put it back here. Meaning I would mount it down there, and then you come on this side, and the phone is right above the screen. For the C6, I'd probably be a plain Jane and just mount it to the glass like this other one. So phone, mount, you know the deal. Just take it, remove the 3M, and just stick it anywhere on the glass. We'll just use over here as an example. It would just sit against the glass like this, mounted, and you'd be using your phone responsibly. The reason why I think this is a huge upgrade is because you don't have to worry about this. No matter what car you put it on, no matter what car you're in, you just magnetically attach it and it'll sit right there, and when you want to pull it off, you just pull it off. You don't have to worry about making sure it fits in here. It's so clunky. You can't even do it with one hand, and you just moving around versus this one, you just do it with one hand every single time. This is perfect for the Corvette C8, and let me tell you why. The C8 has an interior that really curves and swoops, and although you could mount it behind the screen, there's plenty of real estate back here. I want to show you another way to mount it. So most mounts are just flat like this. I want to put it here, and I actually want to go ahead and twist it this way. Now you can see that the pads are still going to be flat right here, but the neck is the part that twists. So we can slap it, we can twist it to my heart's desire, and then go ahead, grab the phone, and then place it wherever we want. And so if I'm parked and I want to scroll through Instagram, well, it is right here. Check that out, front and center, where we can, well, see it. And if you want to stay up to date with us on Instagram and hang out with your dog, you can mount it on your dog. And so if you like the mount, make sure you check out Baseus in the description below the like button. If you like the cars, make sure you subscribe because we got a lot more fun stuff coming your way. Let Alice and I know what phone mount you use and if you're gonna pick up one for yourself.